Take a ride in the 2015 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, CD player, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.